Hello. After purchasing my embroidery machine, I was really keen to embroider on the baseball caps. It become quite clear to me that it's a bit tricky to do, and the biggest problem for me it was hooping up the hats properly. So basically, what was a problem for me? The design was going much too high, and all sorts of other problems. So I did waste many hats. And that's why I decided to make this short video just to show you how I do it. I'm not saying I master it, but I found a very good sweet spot, very good happy point, where I'm quite happy with my embroidery, and so is some of my customers. So let's go ahead and let's go to the jig, and I will show you quickly my way of doing it. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are by our jig. It's my temporary spot because I have a really silly spot which I can't use my camera, so please excuse just a temporary table. So this is a well-known jig for the Bravo machines, and as you, I'm not going to give you the basics, like because you probably know how to undo the jig. But what I will tell you, what's very important is this didn't work for me out of the box. So what I had to do is adjust those 3 screws. It's a brilliant idea, and you will find out why, because every hat manufacturer made them a little bit different, and one might fit and then the other won't fit. So it depends what model you do. So what you need to do, you just, I don't really want to do it because I have already adjusted, but what you have to do is just give a half turn with your screwdriver of 3 of the screws, adjust with the hat on, and then just tighten the screws up, so you know it will fit. I always do that with the hat on, so obviously you have to do it. You need to clip it and see if you clip quite nicely. You don't need to go hard. So this is something that you have to do it yourself because every hat is different. So okay, so what I do, I put my jig on the hooking station, so it's secured. I'm getting my hat. This is a structured hat, so I will not use the stabilizer. I never do, because this is already stabilizer. So what you need to do, you need to get this sweatband, you need to open it up and put the hat on the jig. And what I would like to show you now, so I will move my camera. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll try to bend it. This sweatband, I used to pull it this way as much as possible, and I thought I would have my design lower, but in reality the design actually go higher because you pushed your hat lower. I'm not sure if that does make sense, but it does when you see the hat goes on the machine. So what you need to do, get the sweatband, just rest it here quite loose, yeah. By the way, you probably noticed there is not an extra part in here on the jig because I removed it because it's absolutely useless. Put your band around the hat, around the peak. And now what's important, I'm not sure if you can see it. Yes, you can. See, my hat, it doesn't go all the way, it just go a little bit, as wide as the sweatband is. Right, so this is a start. So now, when I'm securing it, don't worry about it here yet, worry about this clip first. Secure the clip, just so it's on. And now, very important part is this metal part. This metal part needs to be exactly where the seam is. And this is where I used to struggle a lot, because I used to do this, oh God, and I couldn't move it. No, it's not the way. So, as we're on that point, Make sure it's straight. Make sure it's straight. And you have a little red line there. So straight. Now hold it with your finger and move your hat up and the metal piece down, so it fits straight into the seam. Once it's there, just lock it up and it's job done. Make sure, just double check if it's straight. And very, very important, guys, this don't need to be extra tight. Don't need to be. You just need to be tight enough so the machine don't throw it off the machine. So that is tight enough. Look what I can do. If it's not perfectly straight, I can adjust it. Can you see? I can move it around, but it's still tight enough on the jig. So as you can see, it's straight with the seam. I try to show you here, just to bend it up. See, it's just only as wide as the sweatband. It's not even that perfect, but it doesn't matter as long as it's off the way. So here we go. Let's put on a machine and see what's gonna happen. Also, I'm not gonna show you all the way how to embroider it, because it's just how to hoop it. But again, this is my way. I took my hat off the jig station. As you can see, this is how it's hooked up. It's very, very simple. Here you go. If you think it's not straight, just adjust a bit, and now just put it on a machine. And now we can hit the embroidery button, start button. Okay, so hat is embroidering now. I'm gonna wait. This was just a very short video to show you how to hook it. I hope I helped you. If you have a better way than me, please do let me know. I'm always love to improve my ways. This is only what I found that works best for me and gives me the lowest embroidery to the peak. Brother cannot go much lower than that. I think maybe a couple millimeters. I could actually drop it down a bit, but this is quite good anyway. For most of my customers, I never had any customer who really wanted something very big and very low. So this might be the way for you. Please try it. Let me know if it works for you, and if it doesn't and you go better way, let me know. Thank you very much, guys. I hope to see you soon.